Hey friends, I'm going to share with you a very simple fish recipe. Let's put some apple cider vinegar. I put apple cider vinegar and you can use lemon juice if you want. Let's put some black pepper. Use a garlic powder. If you have garlic, you can put the fresh garlic too. And the salt to taste. Let's marinate for 20 minutes. Let's put some cooking oil on the pan. Now time to put the fish on the oil. Friends, the fish is ready. This is a very simple recipe but very delicious, very juicy, very crunchy. Try it this way. Follow me and share with others. Thank you very much. Hello my friends, I'm going to make potatoes with eggs. 3 medium size of potatoes and make them little cubes. 1 small onion and 3 eggs. Let's start the procedure. We need 1 pan. Put the cooking oil. Time to put the onions. Fry the onions for 2 to 3 minutes. Time to put potatoes. Mix the potatoes with onions and fry for 5 to 6 minutes. Our potatoes perfectly get cooked. Now time to put the eggs in. Time to put spices. Put black pepper, some red chili powder and salt to taste. Let's mix everything. Coriander. Our perfect potatoes eggs are ready. Hello friends, I'm going to make a ground beef with peas. Let's start the procedure. Oil, 1 medium size of onion. Fry the onions a little bit. Let's add the ground beef. Fry with onions. The ground beef is getting cooked with onions. Now let's put ginger garlic paste. It's perfectly cooked. Now time to add spices. Let's put cumin seeds, bay leaf, turmeric powder, ground coriander seeds, salt to taste, red chili powder. Let's mix everything very good. 1 big size of tomatoes. Now let's add the peas. Mix everything very good. Let's cook on a low heat for 20 minutes. Let's add green coriander. Our ground beef with peas is